Hi, it's Michelle, your friendly drum maker. Today I want to tell you about our singing drum. This is a drum that I developed quite a few years ago for someone that was looking for a drum that they could take on the hillside in Wales and play with the thunder. So what we ended up coming up with was it's looks like a ceremonial drum, but it's a lot different. I'll show you why. The bottom of this drum has a bass hole in it. Rather than the sound coming out the side, it blasts out the bottom and flows from the drum. So you can actually feel the vibrations of the drum in your feet and ankles, which is really cool. Inside this drum, and I don't know if you can actually see it, but there are some copper tines, and I'll try and see if I can show. Maybe you can see them, maybe you can't, I don't know. Each copper tine is tuned. They're tuned in thirds, so they go together. And the vibration of the copper tines created by the concussion on the drum creates an undertone that changes the sound of the drum a bit. Also, this drum is made out of horse. One of the reasons that we did make this drum from horse is that horse has this wonderful quality of harmonics above and below the main tone of the drum. So along with the horse's harmonics, with a thick head on top and a thin head on the bottom that's more responsive, what we end up getting is a really, really interesting sound. So we put this back on the stand. Sorry, it's being a little awkward. Get on there. A lot easier to get them on the stand if you got two people. And you're not trying to sit down, too. These drums come with the stand. We make these stands ourselves, and we also custom make them for your own drums if you don't have a stand for your drum. We custom make them to size. And they are lovely. They completely disassemble for packing, and they're just strong and really, really durable. These drums come with two beaters. One is a hard beater and one is a soft beater. They give different sounds. I'm going to start with the soft beater. The soft beater makes more of a hum sound. The hard beater makes more of a strike sound. So the drum sounds different with each one. So here's the soft beater. And listen carefully for the change in tones from the tines inside. Now the hard beater, there's much more of a concussive strike, so that's what this will sound like. See, with hitting it that hard, you can actually hear the sound of the copper very, very clearly. So that is our singing drum. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a lovely day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.